Understanding, that's right, in English. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, that's right. This phrase is used frequently in both casual and formal conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand when and how to use that's right, but also its various nuances in different contexts. That's right is a phrase used to confirm that something is correct or to agree with a statement. It's often used in response to a question or statement to indicate that the information given is accurate. For example, if someone asks, "Is London the capital of England?" you might respond with, "That's right," to confirm their statement. While the basic meaning of "that's right" is to confirm correctness, it can have different implications based on the context. Agreement. When used in a conversation, it can show agreement with someone's opinion or statement. Encouragement. Teachers or parents might use it to encourage someone, especially children, when they give a correct answer or make a valid point. Affirmation. Sometimes, it's used to affirm what someone has said, adding emphasis or showing strong agreement. It's important to note that "that's right" should not be confused with "that's correct." While both phrases are used to affirm correctness, "that's correct" is more formal and less conversational. Also, using "that's right" in a sarcastic tone can convey disagreement or disbelief, so be mindful of your tone. I hope this video clarifies how and when to use "that's right" in English. Remember, context is key in determining its exact meaning in a conversation. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.